Hey y'all, today I want to show you how to make a simple syrup, and all it is equal parts water to sugar. So in this pot I have a cup of sugar and a cup of water, and the whole purpose of a simple syrup is to allow the sugar to dissolve. So you want to bring this temperature up and let this sugar boil just a little bit, just a few minutes, until all of the sugar dissolves. Now you can do a lot of things with simple syrup. You can pour simple syrups on cakes, keep them moist. After you make, say, a pound cake or something, you can add lemon to it. If you're making a lemon pound cake, you can use it with tea, which is probably what I'm going to do today. Make me some tea and make a simple syrup for your tea, because sugar doesn't dissolve in cold water really well. So you want to have a simple syrup when you're making any kind of flavored drink like that. So we're going to let this come up to a boil and let the sugar dissolve, and we're going to have a simple syrup, and it'll keep in the refrigerator for a week or two, but it's not going to last long, y'all. It's not going to last long. But this is a cup of water and a cup of sugar, okay? And that's how you make a simple syrup. So the sugar and the water have been boiling for about 3 to 5 minutes. I just want to show you, see, all of the granules of the sugar are gone. It's gone. It's just syrup now. It's just a nice syrup. So you let this cool and excuse me. So you let this cool, and you can put this in the refrigerator, or you can use it for whatever you intended. I'm gonna make some tea, so that's what I'm gonna use it for. But I just wanted to show you how you can make some simple syrup. You can flavor this however you want to. You can flavor it with lemon, lime, vanilla flavoring, lemon extract, almond extract, however you want to. But I'm just making a simple syrup because I want some cold tea. So I'm going to make me some tea and then use the simple syrup to sweeten the tea. All right? Simple syrup, very easy. Equal parts water to sugar. I'm Val Taylor. Y'all go out and make it a great day, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye now.